I mean, working for gigs on sites like Upwork, maybe. I mean, those are probably good to gain experience in the beginning, just to work on someone else's project. That can be quite good. But yeah, as a long-term thing, I don't think that's actually quite viable. Although I'm not sure. I'm definitely not an authority on that kind of freelancing sort of thing. So yeah, I don't know about long-term thing, but when it comes to gaining experience, yeah, just work on someone else's project, get like 50 bucks. So you're basically getting paid to learn. So in that sense, I do think those can be good for learning on the side as you are trying to improve your skills until you can do something on yourself that can be quite nice. So yeah, maybe. Like I said, I've only hired freelancers for like limited things like sound designers, capsule designers, and so on. So yeah, for those things, I definitely recommend you hire those people. Those are absolutely invaluable. But as more game development, like making an entire game, I don't know how useful that is. Honestly, the most useful thing seems to be in like videos that I'm sure you've seen on YouTube, where YouTubers get sponsored by Fiverr in order to basically hire a bunch of Fiverr users to make a game. That seems to be basically the only valid use case for that. Or at least I'm trying to think of what would be a use case other than that, where people hire Fiverr developers to basically make an entire game to what? Kind of like make a prototype? But then if you want to continue working on that prototype, either you're going to have to pay a lot of money to that developer, or you're going to have to basically rebuild the whole thing yourself from scratch, at which point, why wouldn't you build it yourself first? So yeah, again, when it comes to long term for that, I guess not. For debugging mostly. Okay, so for that one, yeah. Okay, that's actually interesting. Yeah. Honestly, I have thought about doing a video like me going on Fiverr in order to see what kind of problems people have. So I have thought about specifically making a video kind of formatted around that. So kind of like doing consulting, as it were, for a video sort of like that. So yeah. So that could be an interesting positive use case. So that could be fun.